hello and bonjour and welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the May Nomakenolife box, so let's just dive in. So yes, it came super early this month. Their shipping is on point. Wow. And Nomakenolife, if you don't know, is a beauty subscription box of Japanese and Korean products, 8 per month with 1 tool, and I absolutely freaking love it. So the theme for this month, for May, I guess next month, for May is Tokyo Glow. I'm super stoked. Usually I see all of the previews and sneak peeks, but I really haven't seen any. So I'm very excited. Let's see what this month has to offer. Lots of nice, robust goodies. So the first item, I'm just gonna take them out in the order that I see them, is this one, box. This is so cute, little twin stars and makeup removing sheets. I've seen these little drawings. I don't know if you can see. I'll try and find the name. Maybe it's little twin stars actually, probably. And it's this cute little brother, sister, I wanna say. And we get a nice fun little pack of makeup wipes. 30 sheets, that's really cool. Sanrio, they're by Sanrio, it's Japanese, so there's 3 options for packaging. I got the really adorable blue one, which honestly is my preferred one looking at it. Each sheet contains hyaluronic acid and collagen to help keep your skin healthy and hydrated. That's awesome, especially when I do makeup looks tutorials, if I need to quickly wash off my face in between takes. That's really great. That's super adorable and very convenient on the go. Not that we're going anywhere still. Yes. Next, I will take this guy. So this is by Salon Lady. I'm assuming it's a hair mask. Oh, Salon Lady Clay Hair Mask. 9 botanical ingredients and has a lovely floral and frangipani scent. That's pretty cool. I love hair masks. You can kind of see my hair growth line from when I dyed my hair last year. I'm really trying to grow it out and get it really healthy, especially for my wedding, so that it doesn't look a mess. I've just been using hair masks nonstop, so I'm very excited to have this. What does it smell like? Oh, it just smells like a beautiful, beautiful salon. I'd say more salon smelling than flower smelling, if that makes sense. You know, like the really nice high-end shampoos. But awesome. This, I'd say a really, really good one-time coat for me, or if I want to just do a light mask, possibly 2. Awesome. I don't think I've actually gotten hair products before in the subscription box. That's quite cool. Ooh, okay, this one I'll take out next. So it looks like we get a cute little mesh scrunchie. There's 4 colors, no, 5. There's pink, purple, blue, white, and black. Add some spring to your hairstyle with this fun scrunchie. I like scrunchies, they're cute. I feel like they were a bit more last season, but they're still going strong, and this one's really adorable. I got the light blue one, and it has little daisy decals, and it is cute because it's see-through. I think that's a little bit more unique. Let's just bring it down here. Yeah, that's cute. My voice goes really high sometimes. No, I really like that. That's unique. Again, another hair item, which quite cool, interesting, different. Yeah. All right, there's 2 big kind of cool looking items, so I'm gonna leave those to last. I'm gonna take this out next. This is the Dr. Glowderm eye mask for night time to party. And I'm assuming they are, oh, maybe they're not star shaped. On the back, it just looks like a regular eye mask. Oh, it would have been so much more fun if they were the point pack kind of patches, but still very exciting. These are Korean. Hydrogel mask brightens and reduces dark circles. I definitely need that. I've been stressed out planning stuff throughout the pandemic. Infuses moisture to delicate skin around your eyes without leaving any sticky residue. Plus, it contains glitter for a sparkly look. Ooh, okay. I'm very curious. Maybe, can't really tell for the feeling. Maybe it is something a bit more fun shaped. But that's awesome. Again, always liked my eye masks, face mask. Cool. Next, it looks like we have another one. So this is where I'm like, do we need both? Probably not, but all right, at least it's 2. So this is the Make You I Cannot Live Without You Dressing Up As You Like face pack. And it's just a face mask, it's Japanese. Again, there were 3 options. I don't really see, oh no, there is scents. So pink is strawberry, awesome. I love strawberry, it's one of my favorite scents. Purple is grape, blue is milk. Cool, face mask, a bit, I don't know, I love getting 1 a month. I think it's nice because I use at least 1 a month, but I think it's just 2 in the same one. I'm a bit, but let's keep going. Next, I'm gonna take this little hidden item, and I'm so excited about it. This is an under eye marker. So I read the label while I was taking out the other items. It's a Korean product, and I don't know if you know, so it's by, I don't know how to pronounce this, I'm so sorry, Seimu. And it's been a really big trend lately to do kind of, I think they call it, is it happy eyes? But like little baggies under your eyes here. And it's like, because when you smile, oh my God, I'm like trying to smile. When you smile, you kind of lift up and get little baggies, right? So basically what the trend is to draw those on almost, or accentuate what you have. So here I have the step 1, which is the darker brown one. So this would be what I would use to kind of draw the baggy line. I did this in my video for Malvina, the Russian girl with the blue hair, but I just use whatever I have. And then this is step 2, and I got this like lovely shimmery pink. Oh, it's like one, ooh, this is so cute. It's literally like, this is all of the product that there is, but it's one of those little soft foam applicators, and you just kind of add the, oh my gosh, that's so cute. It just squishes in, and you just kind of add it on the under eye, and then draw your little happy eye underneath. This is so unique. Again, this is why I love these kind of boxes. Where else would you get this? I'm doing a terrible job, so please ignore this, but I think it's a really cute trend, and I'm very excited to have this product. I think that's super cute, and in any case, worst case, you can use this maybe eyebrow, pencil, eyeliner, color. Let's actually read about it. A popular trend in Korea and Japan is highlighting right under the eye waterline to brighten and create what are called eye smiles. But this is so cute and unique. Like I said, this is why I love this box. Where else are you gonna find something like this outside of Korea, Japan, and East Asia? So like, very cool. All right, I'm gonna leave the big boy to last. I'm gonna take this out, and how cute and cool is this? We get a lip tint that looks like a light bulb. Like, this packaging is insane. It's kind of reminiscent of the popsicle lip tint from last month, but I have the shade Coral Pink, and it's a little baby light bulb. How cute and adorable is that? 10 out of 10 for packaging. Oh, it smells so sweet. Ooh, it's very like water gel kind of texture. I really like that. That is so cute. It might be difficult to get the product once you hit the bottom, but who's finishing products these days? Not me. I have a lot. And honestly, I'm just super stoked. What a cute idea and cute packaging. It comes in 5 colors. We've got coral pink, healthy red, berry pink, juicy orange, and pure pink. Not gonna lie, orange would have been fun. I do love an orange lip, but very, very happy with that. Beyond adorable. Aces. And last but not least, I hope, we get this big boy. This is the Actress with an I Veil Powder. So it's a dual powder from what I can see on the back, and you use one part to highlight your face and the other part as a blush. And based on the images, there's some light reflection action going on. So let me read the little guide about it. Highlighter, face powder, and blush. Oh, okay. This compact is 3-in-1. Oh, I didn't know it was 3-in-1. The right side is a marble design made with finely crushed pearl for iridescent glow, while the left side is a soft blush. Get one of 3 gorgeous colors: purple, orange, or pink. So again, it looks like I got pink. Yes, orange would have been fun. I love orange on my face for blush. I'm not gonna lie, it just complements my skin tone. I think because I have a pink undertone. Oh, made in Korea, designed in Japan. Very cool, sleek packaging. Ooh, comes with this cool little curved brush that fits right in to the compact. Nice little mirror, and this is the powder. Yeah, smells a bit, I don't want to say plasticky, but a little bit like dollar store, but mixed with makeup, if that makes sense. Yeah, first of all, super cool, super unique. Haven't gotten anything quite like this, how do I say, proper in the subscription box before, like a really, you know, like sturdy face, big full-on product. Maybe I'm not making sense. It's been like really cute lip gloss or liner or something like that. So this is really cool. I just don't really see how it's a face powder 3-in-1. I can see the blush, I can see the highlight. It's like the sheerest, most natural highlight, by the way. Very lovely, just a soft iridescent glow. You probably can't even see it on camera, so if you like natural, that's great. And then the blush, again, super sheer. but maybe it needs to be used with a brush, or sometimes, you know, it's a little bit dry on the top and you need to kind of just break it down. But a very soft blush, and I think that works really well right now with the times, because that's what people are looking for. I'm just gonna mix them both together and see what happens. Oh, where do I want to put it? There's literally nothing going on my arm when I use this brush. Maybe that's why it's a face powder. If you mix it all together lightly, it doesn't give much of a color. We'll give it a go. We'll give it a proper go with my normal brushes that I use day to day. Regardless, I'm very excited to get like I said, kind of like a hefty, proper face full-on product, if that makes sense. Stoked on that. Curious to try it more because it's very light. But yeah, let's dive into my final thoughts. All right, so what do we think of May Tokyo Glow? I like it. I like it. It's not my favorite box. I think last month I was just super blown away. So I'm a bit like, I don't know. Good, it's good. It's a really great box. I think for me, the eye patches is maybe a little bit too much because it's two, but overall a really great variety of products. Like I said, for the first time, we're really getting some hair items. The makeup wipes is really unique and cute. I think we can all always use some makeup wipes, even though I'm trying my best to do the reusable cotton ones, but especially when I'm filming, that will be really handy for me. The powder I'm curious about. I'm very excited, but curious just because you guys saw it's not the most pigmented, but oh well. And the lip is super cute. I feel terrible because I absolutely love all these lip products, but I think last time I counted I have like 40 or 45, and I'm trying to imagine in what world I can use them all up and how. And so I'm really trying to think of really creative ways. Same with my eyeshadow palettes. I don't want to know how many eyeshadow palettes I have, but yeah, overall just a really solid, great box. Not better than last month's, but just really wonderful. I just can't complain. And I still love Nomakenolife. They're probably still, I think my favorite subscription box now. I'm a very loyal glossy box kind of gal, but I feel like just with all of the uniqueness of the products inside and how I literally can't get them here, it kind of maybe is inching to the #1 spot for me. Ooh, drama. So to summarize, yes, I absolutely love Nomakenolife. May was a really great box. Still super duper recommend Nomakenolife. Yeah. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it was fun and entertaining for you. If you haven't already, definitely please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you on this journey with me. Other than that, you can catch me on social media at Slavic Chic, and I'll hopefully catch you guys in the next video. Bye!